a lot of lesson learned, a lot of experience put into this technology that can really provide a tangible benefits to growers, whether it's financial ROI of reducing costs, whether it's improving quality of the operation and precision, and dramatically improve safety. Bluewhite Autonomous Solution is a modular solution. It's an aftermarket kit that we can bolt on existing vehicles, on existing tractors from different manufacturers. We take also mechanical vehicles and put perception module of camera and LiDAR, control module that enables all the control and actuation, and our intelligence model where we have the communication and compute that together generates with our software autonomous capabilities. This connects to our fleet operation and management platform that enables growers to plan their operation, execute and monitor it in real time, and then get a report. So it's a combined solution of both hardware that go on the vehicles, software, onboard software, and all the AI and the models that running real time on the machines, and a software over the cloud that you can operate from your phone or tablet or desktop that you can, again, plan, monitor, execute, and then get the reports.